We've also got a very successful Women in Innovation programme. And through all of our programmes, we're promoting inclusion and making our competitions more accessible to a diverse pool of talent. However, the evidence shows and our data shows that we aren't reaching as many people as we could be. We know that some groups are still underrepresented. We're overlooking some groups still in terms of our support. And going forwards, what we will be doing is building on the models that we have for Women in Innovation and Young Innovators and extending those so that we can reach more people from all sorts of different backgrounds. There's a huge untapped talent out there for innovation, and we need to work harder to find and access that talent and put in place the support that is right so that talent can be successful and do what we need in terms of the UK for our economy and our society and contribute in the best way that it can.